This smoky, creamy Chipotle sauce will make your burgers and fries taste 10x better in just 1 minute. Half a cup mayonnaise. 1 to 2 Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. 1 tablespoon adobo sauce. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Salt to taste. Start by adding mayonnaise into a bowl. Now chop your Chipotle peppers finely, or blend if you want it extra smooth. Add the chopped peppers and a spoon of adobo sauce into the mayo. Sprinkle in garlic powder, then add fresh lemon juice for a little tang. Mix everything really well until creamy and smooth. If you like it thinner, just add a teaspoon of water and mix again. That's it. Your smoky Chipotle sauce is ready. Try this with burgers, wraps, or fries, and you'll never go back. Subscribe for more quick and delicious sauces.